Hi, this is Roger with Wet Irrigation, and today I'm just going to show you how to replace or add a module. So this timer is a Hunter ACC, and all the Hunters are the same if it's not a set timer. They have modules in it, so these are expansions. So this would be 1 through 6 module, 7 through 12, 13 through 18, and so forth. So this timer can actually add 2 more modules. You can go up to 42 zones. To replace or add a module to it, right here, you have a little bar that turns on the power, slides it off, power off. So now if you try to actually run the system with that off, your system will not run. Just a little heads up on that. This has a flap on an ACC. If it was a Pro C or Hunter ICC, it wouldn't look like this, but the modules still get removed the same way. Literally, they just slide out just like that. So if you needed to add one or replace it, you turn off the power, and just slide it right in, and it slides right back into place. Don't ever forget, put your power back on, and then you're good to go. Thank you for watching.